Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best spinning reels that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a seasoned angler or a beginner, we've got something for everyone. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the budget-friendly Summer and Centron spinning reel by KingLer. At just $12.98, this reel is perfect for anyone looking to get started in fishing without breaking the bank. Let's dive into its features. The reel boasts an impressive 12+1 ball bearing system, which ensures ultra-smooth performance during retrieval. An anti-reverse switch adds precision to your catches, while its ergonomic ABS handle provides a comfortable grip for extended fishing sessions. Plus, at only 7.8 ounces, it's lightweight and easy to transport. Design-wise, the CNC metal spool is hollowed out to reduce weight while maintaining strength. The foldable handle adds convenience for storage, and the ambidextrous design makes it suitable for both left and right-handed users. However, one thing to note is that the reel's maximum drag capacity is 13 pounds. Which might limit its use with larger fish. While this reel might not match the durability or advanced features of higher-end options, it delivers solid performance for casual freshwater fishing. The KingLer Summer and Centron is ideal for beginners or anyone on a tight budget. On the downside, some users have reported that it feels smaller than expected, and its nylon construction may not hold up to heavy-duty use. But considering its price, it's hard to beat the value it offers for light fishing adventures. It's hard to beat the value it offers for light fishing adventures. It's hard to beat the value it offers for light fishing adventures. It's hard to beat the value it offers for light fishing adventures. It's hard to beat the value it offers for light fishing adventures. It's hard to beat the value it offers for light fishing adventures. At number 4, we have the KastKing Brutus spinning reel, a fantastic entry-level reel for freshwater anglers priced at $24.64. This reel is built for exceptional value, combining performance and affordability in a sleek package. It features a lightweight graphite frame and rotor, which reduces fatigue during long fishing trips. The CNC machined aluminum spool ensures durability while providing long, accurate casts. With a 5.2-to-1 gear ratio and 4+1 ball bearings, the Brutus delivers smooth retrievals and reliable hook sets. One standout feature here is its adjustable drag system, capable of delivering up to 17.5 pounds of stopping power. The zinc alloy main gear and brass pinion gear ensure durability and low noise, while the steel main shaft adds robust reliability. The Brutus comes in 4 different sizes, ranging from 2,000 to 5,000, making it suitable for a variety of freshwater species. Its instant anti-reverse bearing is a great addition for quick and effective hook sets. On the downside, the reel feels slightly less refined compared to higher-end models, and its drag system might struggle with larger fish. However, for casual anglers or those looking for an affordable yet dependable reel, the KastKing Brutus is a great choice. It's lightweight, easy to use, and delivers solid performance for its price point. Sliding into the number 3 spot is the KastKing Centron spinning reel, priced at $28.99. This reel strikes a great balance between affordability and performance, making it an ideal choice for intermediate anglers. Featuring a 9+1 ball bearing system and an instant anti-reverse bearing, it delivers smooth and reliable operation. The CNC machined aluminum spool is lightweight yet strong, providing better line lay and lube retention for seamless casting. The Centron's drag system stands out, offering a maximum drag of 17.5 pounds. This makes it powerful enough to tackle medium-sized fish in both freshwater and saltwater environments. The reel's graphite frame design keeps it light and compact, while its computer-balanced rotor ensures stability during operation. Available in black blue and white blue color options, the Centron also features a collapsible handle that's perfect for ice fishing and portability. While the KastKing Centron is a solid performer, it isn't as rugged as premium models, and some users may find its smaller size limiting for larger species. Nevertheless, with its smooth operation, attractive design, and versatility, it's a fantastic choice for anglers looking to upgrade from a beginner reel without breaking the bank. At number 2, we have the PENN Pursuit IV spinning reel, a premium quality reel priced at $57.71. Known for its durability and smooth performance, this reel is an excellent choice for anglers who want a reliable option for both freshwater and saltwater fishing. The Pursuit IV features a lightweight, corrosion-resistant graphite body, ensuring longevity even in harsh conditions. Its HT100 carbon fiber drag system provides smooth and consistent drag performance, even under extreme pressure. The machined and anodized aluminum spool adds strength and durability, while the 4+1 stainless steel bearing system ensures fluid operation. This reel is designed to handle tough fights with larger fish, making it a great choice for experienced anglers targeting heavier species. The ambidextrous handle orientation adds versatility and convenience for left and right-handed users. On the downside, the PENN Pursuit IV is slightly heavier than other models on this list, which might lead to fatigue during extended fishing trips. Additionally, its higher price point may not appeal to casual anglers. However, if you're looking for a durable, high-performance reel that can handle saltwater conditions, the PENN Pursuit IV is a fantastic investment. Taking the crown at number 1 is the KastKing Megatron spinning reel, priced at $61.99. This reel is a powerhouse, designed for serious anglers who need top-tier performance for both freshwater and saltwater fishing. The Megatron features a rigid aerospace aluminum alloy skeletal frame, providing unmatched strength and durability. Its unique, geometrical bionic design isn't just eye-catching, it also reduces weight while maintaining structural integrity. With a 7+1 double-shielded stainless steel ball bearing system and a smooth carbon fiber drag system capable of delivering over 30 pounds of stopping power, the Megatron is built to handle big game fish with ease. The CNC-machined T6061 aluminum spool ensures reliability and precision, while the exclusive robot-inspired handle design adds a touch of flair. This reel is built for tournament-level performance, offering rigidity, smoothness, and faultless mechanics in even the toughest conditions. The KastKing Megatron is undeniably premium, but its higher price point might deter casual anglers. Additionally, its robust design makes it slightly heavier than some competitors. However, for those who demand top-notch performance, durability, and aesthetics, this reel is worth every penny. It's the ultimate choice for anglers looking to elevate their fishing game. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.